Hello friends, welcome to Dream Wonder Kids. The art of magic papers today. Do you see all the lines? We have one set puzzle to solve, but we need some color. That artist, magic marker. We have so many different greens today. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! Let's start the magic. Let's go! Ta-da! Look at our beautiful puzzle. We made a raindrop, a plus, a moon, a trapezoid, a diamond, and a hexagon, and they are also green and happy. You did a wonderful job drawing with me today. If you love this magic coloring adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join us for more fun on Dream Wonder Kids. See you next time. Bye bye.